Welcome back to the next one, man. I ain't gonna tell you what going on, but we gonna try some beef patty again down at a different side of town. We on the south side of Atlanta. This is in the McDonald's side, and down in this side they got a lot of stuff going on over here. Every weekend they got little events going on. I'm gonna show you a clip of little events they got going on right now. Always got something going on out here. It's pretty solid, you know what I'm saying? So this side of town, they always got something going on. Very excited. It's not boring like every other little small city. They always got something. They got music playing or somebody doing something out here, man. A live band playing music, or they got some events going on. They maybe block off the street one time or for the month or the year. You know what I'm saying? It's not for the month, but every time they got something going on, man. I know 4th of July, they gonna lock the street off. I know that for sure. Every month they got little events going on, man. So they bring the kids and all that cool stuff down here to do different things, man. So it's very legendary, very. I love it, man, and that's good for the community. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we need in most of these places. Stuff like that, but you can't hardly find stuff like that now because not everybody do that. So that's good, that's legendary. So I'm on my way to go eat these beef patty, man. Tell you what, give me my rating on I'm sure the name of the place in a second. And yeah, man, I heard they got some patties over there. We want to try some of the beef patty with cheese in it. I might try the cheese or the cocoa bread. I want to see what if they got cocoa bread. That'd be cool. If they don't got beef patty, I try the chicken patty or the veggie patty. So I'm going around Atlanta and going to dealership and trying food and doing all the creative things, man. I'm not here to do one thing, man. Go show you guys cars and, you know what I'm saying? We don't do that around here, man. We show everything that's going on in the city. I'll tell you, I do it all, man. So on my channel, we do it all. We be creative. We do different things, man. So sometimes you see the family on it. Sometimes you don't. So that's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna kick it. We're gonna make things happen, you know what I'm saying? So let go, man. Let's check it out. And guys, we actually made it. So it said I don't know which one it is. Pete Caribbean Bakery and Restaurant. Go check it out, see what they got. Yes, sir. It's pretty solid, I guess. Pete's Caribbean Bakery and Restaurant. So you guys gotta check them out. They sell Jamaican food over here too. I'm just here to try the beef patty. You know what I'm saying? They got beef patty and all that cool features on the glass and stuff. You can see up there. I'm gonna put the address under the link below, or in the I'm gonna put it right here. Check it out over there, and yeah, man. I'm gonna give you a good rating. I'm gonna give them a rating, man. So let's go. Alright guys, we are back out and we got our patty with a cocoa bread in the bag, and we got one of them juice DG. Yes sir, you know we gotta get that ginger beer, you know what I mean? Most I don't know what ginger beer is, so they're gonna cut this video. We eat this patty right here on the spot, man. So let's go. Yeah, man, so this thing just came right out of the oven. We gonna they already put it in the bun for me already. The patty seems way thinner than the patty I got last time, as you guys can see in the brown bag. Let's pop our juice open. Where my keys at? All right, patty looking scrumptiously umptious. Let's pop that If you're not a Jamaican, you don't have one of these. But if you're a Jamaican, you don't always walk with one of them, yeah. You don't know what I mean. So yeah, man, we're gonna try this patty right now. Let's tell you, see what the first bite gonna be like. Let me tell you how to run ratings. The buns feel pretty soft. I ain't gonna lie to you. The buns is like better than the buns at Golden Crescent. So let's go. Mmm. 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 This is different. And this is like way much bigger than the one I had last time. See, the last time with the one I got, I had to be drinking, man. That thing was like dried, man. But this one, I don't need a drink, bro. Mmm. 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 This one is different. This one is different. I don't really need a drink for this. That's what I'm telling you. The ones in Jamaica, you don't need a drink for them. This one, you don't really need a drink. Mmm. Sure it is, guys. That meat is just warm and melty on the inside. I'm gonna tell you. It is. Look. Man, that juice of the meat is falling out in your mouth. Woo! Man. My ratings is beyond. See, man, I'm already like halfway and I haven't drank the juice yet. I can tell you how it's better than the other one. The other one I had to drink and sip because it was hard. And I give them a very low rating. So far, the meat that fall out in your mouth, man, and this mixture of the buns and the... Take my first sip of the drink. Woo! This is different. This is better than the one I had before. See what I'm talking about? That beef that's falling out in your mouth, man. This is legendary. This is different. And I only took one sip of the drink. And this thing is busting same way. Pete, keep doing what you're doing, man. This patty's off the chain. I ain't gonna lie to you. I give it a 10 out of 10. No, let me take that back. I give it a 9 out of 10. Jamaican one is better. Nobody can beat Jamaica. I'm gonna take that back. We're gonna give it a 9 out of 10, man. I'm not in Jamaica right now, but from tasting what I'm tasting, it's pretty solid. It's not as flaky as in Jamaica. That's what I give it back. I take back my 9. But it's solid. It ate the same way, bro. Jamaican patty in Jamaica is very crispy and the juice is falling out. And that's the difference between this and Jamaican one. So yeah, man. But it tastes the same way. Like the ones in Jamaica, it's just flaky. It's like eating a chips with some meat inside of it. You know what I'm saying? That's how the Jamaican ones are. All right. I don't know what's going on with Buddy. He's acting stupid. He got a bike, riding that bicycle. He over here screaming and stuff. But yeah, man. This patty is off the chain, but I give it a 9 out of 10. I know Pete got better stuff in there too. We got everything in there. You got on weeks. You got different days when they have soups and all this other stuff. So pretty much. So what I have left, man. These are the part. Got food flying all over the place. But these are the part that in Jamaica, that's where the 9 comes in, because these part be so crispy and got that little no meat down here, but it's like crispy and it blend right in with the cocoa bread, and it just eat very well. But I'm almost done, which is very cool. Hello. And also, he got bullets and stuff. This is ginger bullet. I know he got coconut bullet too, and he also got bread, and he sells jerk chickens and all this other stuff. So come check Pete out, man. He's doing his thing. I ain't gonna lie to you. Very solid food place. Come buy your patties and stuff. I think this is better than Golden Crescent. I ain't gonna lie to you. Way much better than Golden Crescent. In my ratings, way much better than Golden Crescent. So this is very solid. Solid 9. But if y'all want me to try some other places out in the US, man, of Jamaican patties, let me know. Tag me in the link below. Comment. And I read y'all comment and I go there. And I definitely go shop it up, man. So that's it's a 9 out of 10. Very solid. Cannot complain. Should be a little bit more crispier, and it would be a 10 out of 10. But nobody can beat Jamaica, so I gotta take that 10. I gotta put that to a 9. So it's pretty solid. Everything was very solid, man. I cannot complain. The food was good. The drink, perfect. It was cool and nice. You know what I mean? I know the drink's always gonna be big BG or DG, you know what I'm saying? So support them guys, man. So I mean, I've been drink DG since I was like a baby, man. So can't kind of complain. That's not the only drink they got though. They got a lot of varieties of drinks. So that's the best part about the DG drinks. And yeah, man. So many different things to try out Jamaican wise. Oh yeah, so if y'all want to let me know on the link below where else you guys want me to eat and try their food at and all the good stuff in the United States. No matter where in the United States, we're gonna fly there and we're gonna try it out. I heard that Juicy Patty is in Orlando in Florida right now, so I might go there and check it out. I want to do that. I want to do that and check it out, man. So I know they got it's a beef patty. They got beef patty, all that different patty down there. So I want to go there and actually check those patties out. Why not? Get them a taste, get them a rating. I know they like from Jamaica. They said they're from Jamaica, so we want to see if it's just like the same as eating the patty in Jamaica. Do you need a drink to drink? You know what I'm saying? So I always be like, yeah. In Jamaica, I eat a patty. I don't need a drink when I'm eating with my cocoa bread. Just like today, with this patty, halfway, I had to get a little bit of drink, but yet still, it's a solid 9. You know what I'm saying? I can't take it away from them. You know what I'm saying? It ain't like Jamaica, but it's a solid 9, and it's good. It's good. I ain't gonna lie to you. So Pete, keep doing what you're doing, man. I support what you got going on over there. Yeah, I know y'all been there for some while now, so for sure keep it going. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. On to the next one. Let's go, boy.